this show called Yummy Mummies that is on Netflix, and of all the reality TV that you could possibly watch, this is like at another level. Like, really, there is this spiritual leader called Nitya Shanti, who says that for us our problems are acute, but for others our problems might be cute, and when you watch the series you understand why. And not just, I mean, cute is one thing, but really, yeah, there are people who for whom wearing a designer label is a very real necessity. It's not a luxury; it's a necessity. So there are people like that, yeah, and you need to watch a show like this to understand how important priorities in life is. Like, because you can spend a lifetime saying, "Oh my God, I want a Versace bag," and "Oh my God, my child doesn't have a Burberry." Burberry. That line has bibs also for children apparently. So it is like at another level. So you should try and catch it, people. It's called Yummy Mummies, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.